Homeowners know the importance of an efficient and durable HVAC system. If you live in Ballston Spa, New York, you can count on J&S Heating and Cooling to take care of your trusty furnace and AC unit. You'll never live in discomfort in your own home again. You can trust J&S Heating and Cooling to repair, maintain, and replace your home's HVAC unit. Ask for a free consultation on a new system when you call us today at 518-528-1988.